Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial we will learn about how to use the if-else statements within the FH programming language. So how we can do it? First we need to declare a variable, and for declaration of a variable there is a special statement within the FH that is called as let. So after let you need to write the name of the variable, and after you have written any name of the variable, just like here we have written D, instead of D we can write A. If we want we can write C or anything. And after this name of the variable we need to write int32, which is the data type of this particular variable. Here in this case it is A. And what is inside this A? It is 80. The 80 is stored inside this variable A. So now we will use our if statement. If A is greater than 70, then if A is greater than 70, then we need to write print fn A is greater than 70. So if condition will check that either within A or inside A it is the value is greater than 70 or not. So if it is greater than 70, then we will write print fn. Okay, now else print fn A is less than 70. And after this is done we need to write system.console.readKey. This statement will actually hold the console windows, so you need to write this thing .readKey and ignore. Okay, now it is written A is greater than 70, and obviously it is greater than 70. And if we will write 60, then it will represent A is less than 70. Okay, A is less than 70. So if condition will check that either, and printfn function is just used to print a specific string on the console window. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.